TNT gets it back. Alalon gets hit in the face as Chris Ross went in for that interception and he might have gotten some fingers in the eyes.
Alalon is still down. They're gonna review this.
No denying that from Chris Ross. Nag-admit agad.
Yeah.
Normally, hindi siya ganun. But everybody saw that. So he put up his hand and went to apologize right away.
Makita natin kung ano nangyari dito.
Boom!
Oh,
Right
there it
there.
is. That's gonna be an unsportsmanlike. I can see it now.
Yeah.
That's gonna be 2 free throws and possession.
Right across the face.
No play in the ball. Now a smack on the face.
And the crowd is cheering Gio Alalo because they felt that the reaction was a bit late. But when you're running as fast as Gio Alalo was, I don't know if you can immediately grab your face. The moment the